Alright, we are in the Commodore basement because I got something really cool to show you what's in this book. Let me take a quick peek here. Alright, let me scan around here. In the Commodore room, it's a messy room. I've got 4 rooms full of Commodore stuff. Yeah, it's a mess. Yeah, it's a mess. Someday when I retire, maybe I'll have time to organize the place. I got stuff all over the floor too. Oh, let me clear off this section here. Did you watch my video where I just got in this Sega Genesis game lot? And we just tested Leather Goddess of Phobia. Remember that game? Let me clean this up. You may or may not know I already have a bunch of tech tips posted on my Commodore 64 blog right here. That's not Commodore 64. The C64 Coffee Protection blog. Check that out. If you have anything you'd like to send me related to Commodore, saw Commodore all right there, just let me know, message me, and let me know what you have you might want to send me. I'd appreciate that. Could be in a future video. I got this book because it had it was showing some more tech tips. So let's open it up. And so when I got it, it also has a section on parts, C64 and Amiga, and Commodore PC. Let's check out the book now. So we open it up here. I've got Commodore Tech Tips and the familiar striped Commodore Tech topics right here. This is kind of an index when I was flipping through here. And oh, some really good stuff. Some of this stuff I will get around to scanning and posting on my blog right here. Alright, let's see. Now the sections are, first section's info. A lot of info in here. Next section is parts. So all this is parts. And these are service technician updates. Interesting. The next section here is Amiga. Look at all these pages for Amiga. The other blue and red tech topics. What's this one? This is September 23rd, 1982. Many times tech topics were only 1 pages. What is this one dealing with? Oh, it's the installation of the 1 megabyte PCB upgrade. Alright. Display enhancer. Setting. I've seen some of these before. Some of these might be on my blog already, which is free to download. There we go. Look at all these topics. Any Amiga people out there interested in any of this information? Is it already posted online? If not, let me know what you need. Here's the system test instructions. This did not come with any disc. There's a lot of Amiga stuff in here. Let's go to the reason I wanted this. It's the Commodore section. Not as big as the Amiga section. Tech topics. March 20th, 88. What was I doing then? What was I doing that year? Oh gosh. There's a new diagnostic disc for the 1571. Tech Topics, issue 22, October 88. This is kind of, I have to spend some time figuring out this and cross-referencing this to the ones we already have posted, because a lot of the Tech Topics I have are the blue and red pages. Ten 1084 line output transformer. Okay, that's about the monitor there. What do we got in this section? Video problems. Resistor change. The new billing price for the C64A circuit board is $42.50. Check that out. That's some cool information. Extended warranty no longer in effect. What does this mean? That's for the 1581 floppy disk drive. Oh, they issued a fix for the floppy disk drive with data corruption problems. Wow, interesting. Warranty claims. 1990. You get a lot of this about warranty in this, I've noticed. There are two types of 1571, the Alps and Neutronics. And here's a cool thing. The PC section, the Commodore PC. Let's flip through some of this. Alright guys, whoa, what is this? I've got this. For reference only. Alright, so. Interesting if you're having keyboard problems. Wait, there's another fold out. It's the power supply. The PC 10-3 power supply. I'm sure most of this stuff is online somewhere, but it's really cool. Alright guys, post in the comments below if you need any of this information, if any of this stuff is missing online. I've seen these in other tech topics like the A2000 system clock fix. This is in one of the public tech topics that I've seen, I'm sure of it. Hopefully I'll find time to scan some of this in to preserve it. And post your comments below. Let me know if you have any Commodore stuff you'd like to send me. That'd be really cool. Spare parts. There's a section here on spare parts too. I guess this is the part section. Ooh, prices. The C64 CPU assembly. $64. There's some prices. That's pretty cool. Alright guys, post your comments below. Thanks for watching. Oh, this section here with the parts is all prices too. There's a lot of prices in here. That stuff's pretty cool. Oh, you also got return credit. That's pretty cool for the service stations. I'm sure that they get passed on to the user bringing in the machine.